50 ways to say hello. Easy USA English.
E.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Hey.
Hey.
Hi there.
Hey there.
Hey there.
Hey there.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Morning. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Nice to see you.
Nice to see you too.
Great to see you.
Great to see you too.
Long time no see.
I know.
What's up?
Not much.
How's it going?
Pretty good.
How have you been?
I've been great.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Good to see you.
You too.
Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too.
It's good to see you again.
Same here.
Hey, buddy.
Hey.
Hey, friend.
Hi.
Hi, everyone.
Hello.
Welcome back.
Thanks.
Hey, guys.
Hi.
Hi, everyone.
Good to see you.